Good morning children. Today is second class mathematics. Today we are starting that new topic that is shapes around us. Okay. Shapes and patterns. First of all, what do you mean by shape? Do you have any idea about the shape? If we take any one object, particular that object is in which shape, it is in which position, which shape is known as the outer, means that shape is nothing but the outline of the given object. Okay, here we have two types of shapes, that is flat shapes and solid shapes. Before going to learn the shapes, first of all we have to learn the lines. Okay, types of lines. Why? Because with the help of lines only we have to draw the shapes. First of all, lines, types of lines. First of all, tell me children, do you know how many types of lines? Yes, first one is straight line. Okay, means like standing line or sleeping line. In this first one, S-T-R-I-G-H-T, straight line. In this straight line, we have two example, that is standing line and sleeping line. Okay. Straight lines have two types, that is standing line and sleeping line. Standing line means like this, straight. Sleeping line means like this. These are known as standing lines and sleeping lines. First one. Next, here we have that second one, that is curved line. Curved line. Here we have example, that is like U-shaped curved line means and like this also. You have to take one rope and you have to catch one side, ask your friend to catch the other last side also, and shade, rotate this thread. How you will get? Like this. Okay. And if you see any beach, observe the water. If you bucket of water is there, just you have to put your hand and shake the water. How it will move? Like this, up and down. It is the shape of curved lines. Okay. Next, slanting line. Slanting line. Slanting line is nothing but like this, cross. Slanting. It is known as slanting line, or one more name of slanting line is oblique line. Okay, slanting line, another name is oblique line. And fourth one, what here? Three types of lines is there. Yes, straight line, curved line, slanting line. Slanting line or oblique line. Okay. Using these lines, you have to draw the shapes. That is, first of all, using straight lines. Using straight lines and sleeping lines. Means straight line. Using the straight line, you have to draw the square and rectangle. Square and rectangle. Okay. And using this curved line. We have to draw which shape? We have to draw the circle and oval shape. And using these oblique lines or slanting lines, we have to draw the triangle. Triangles. These all are known as which shapes? Flat shapes. Flat shapes. Okay, children. So today our topic is shapes. How we can draw the shapes? With the help of these lines. Okay. When you are going to start this new chapter, what you have to do? First of all, take your maths notebook. Already I told for maths, keep one separate notebook. In that notebook, you have to open and write down the date and day, lesson name, and you have to copy this all. Okay. After this, today we have to discuss about types of flat shapes. How many flat shapes are there? For that flat shapes, how many corners are there? How many sides are there? What do we remember in that? And what is the example also? Okay. So now we have to draw one table. That is name of the shape. Flat shape. Okay. And how many corners? How many sides? And what do you remember? And example. Okay? Like this, you have to make a box in your notebook also. If do you have any place, write down the serial number also. Write down the serial number. First, square. You have to draw the shape. Name of the shape and shape. This name is square. Okay. Shape and its name square. It has how many corners? What do you mean by corner? The two lines are touching to the one end. This edge is known as corner. How many corners do we have? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. Sides. Sides is nothing but this one. This lines is known as sides. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. In the square, you have to remember all sides are equal. All sides are equal. Okay? All sides are equal. And give me one example of square. Did you observe so many things daily in your daily life? Okay? What is the shape of this square? Tell me any one example. Okay? Think once. What is the shape of the window we are using for our houses? Some is in square, some is in rectangle. Okay. And table. If you observe the table up, we have flat surface. That is in which shape? Square shape. Okay. And you have to see this small duster. It is in which shape? Square. Square is nothing but when we observe the figure, all sides are equal. This side, this side, this side, this side. All sides are equal. It is known as square. So you have to write any one example like window on top of the table. Up to here, one completed. Next, second one, that is rectangle. Rectangle means like this. It is known as rectangle. In this rectangle, how many corners do we have? Corner is nothing but edge of the two lines. Where the two lines are touching, that is known as edge. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides are there? This one is known as sides. Okay. In this, you have to remember one thing. In this rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. Okay. The opposite sides are equal. What is the example of rectangle? Door. Door is in the shape of rectangle. And we have now LED TVs. How? 42 inches. Like that. Big. Take any one your own example. Okay? It is the second one. Next one. Third one. That is triangle. Triangle. Here, how many corners are there? 1, 2, 3. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3. In this triangle, we have the sides are equal or may not equal. Okay. If the sides are equal or not equal. Okay? It is maybe or may not be. What is the example of triangle, children? Tell me. Triangle, shape of triangle. Cone ice cream. Yes? Cone ice cream. And samosa also. Yes or no? What is the shape of samosa? Okay, that is also triangle. Next one. Fourth one, circle. C-I-R-C-L-E, spelling of circle. It has how many sides and how many corners? Do it have any sides and corners? No. No sides and no corners. Okay. No sides and no corners in the circles. And what you will say here, what do you remember in the circle? If it has no sides and no corners. If it has no sides and no corners. You have to remember this. Example of circle is bangles. Okay. If do you know any objects, you have to take your own examples also. Fifth one. What is this shape, children? It is known as oval. O-V-A-L. Oval. This oval also no sides and no corners. Here also remember, if it has no sides and no corners. Example of oval is egg. Okay. Egg is an example of oval. Observe the egg. How it look like? Like this oval. So, you have to write down this table also. These are all known as flat shapes. Okay. So, what you have to do first? Before going to start this, you have to read this all once. Then, take your maths notebook. Write down date and day. topic name and types of lines. After this, flat shapes. This table also have to draw in your notebook. Definitely I will check when you are coming for correction. Okay. If you are not writing, I won't give the marks. This one over after. Open your textbook page number 100 everyone children. Okay. See here. Page number 100 they given get started bits. Color red the shapes made of straight lines. Straight lines means like this. It is red color and it is red color. And color green the shapes made up of curved lines. Means this one, second one fan figure and this bell figure. These two you have to shade with green crayon. Use only the crayons. Next, draw the shapes that will come next in the patterns. First they given square, circle, square, circle. Here what you have to draw? Square. Why? Because circle after square. Draw with pencil and shade with the red crayon. Next, triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle. Here what you have to draw? Triangle. Draw triangle with pencil and shade with the light pink crayon. Over after this one. Flat shapes. Count and write the names and number of shapes in the picture. Okay. Count and write the names and the numbers of the shapes in the pattern in the picture. Here they given one figure. Color the shapes according to the color code in the table. Here they given house shape. And here they are asking what is the name and how many it has. First, what is this? Rectangle. Rectangle name. You have to write down this. How many rectangle? First, write down the rectangle spelling. RECTANGLE. Rectangle. How many rectangles are there in the given figure? 1, 2. Write down 2 number. How many squares are there? Write down the square spelling. SQUARE. Here do you have any squares? No. Number place keep dash. Circle. 1, 2, 3. Write down the circle spelling. CIRCLE. Write down here 3. Triangle. Here 1. Write down the triangle spelling. TRIANGLE. Triangle number 1. Here they given now. This rectangle with blue color you have to shade. Square with yellow, square not there. Green, circle with green. Triangle with red. Colored this using this color codes. Okay, this is your homework. Over after turn the next page, that is 101. They given here. How many corners and side do these flat shapes have? Here. Okay, you have to write down 4, 4, 3, 3. No corners, no sides. N1, no, N1, no. Fill up this one also. Up to here, you have to finish. This is your homework today. That is complete in your textbook. Today your homework is complete in textbook page number 100 and 101 only. This is your homework today. Thank you.